Using the Hanwha TID-600R Intercom with exacqVision 25H1. This video is accompanied by a KB on the exacq support portal. You can find it by searching for Hanwha TID-600R Intercom. Let's get started. The first step in configuring this feature is to configure the settings on the device. Navigate to the camera web GUI and login. Select the Setup cog from the top navigation bar and navigate to Intercom Call Setup. To enable touchless entry, where the user does not need to press the call button, activate the touchless call option. This allows the user to hold their hand in front of the intercom for at least 1 second without touching the call button. Configure the calling timeout period, which is the period of time that a call will wait before being disconnected. This is configurable from a minimum of 10 seconds up to a maximum of 180 seconds. Click the Apply button at the bottom of the screen and click OK in the confirmation pop-up. On your exacqVision client, navigate to the server that you want to add your intercom to and select the Add IP Cameras option. You can either add the device manually by clicking the New button or use the Find IP Cameras tab. Using the Find IP Cameras tab, select the Reskin Network button. You can use the filter search bar to search for the intercom if there are a large number of devices connected on your network. Click the Add Selected button and enter the login details. A green connected status should be displayed. To add the camera manually, click the New button. Select Hanwha Vision from the device type dropdown and enter the device IP address, username, and password. Click the Apply button. A green connected status should be displayed. The next step is to enable two-way audio. Navigate to the Audio Inputs/Outputs node and rename the audio columns to Talk and Listen. Enable both rows and click Apply. It is important to note that client workstations intended for use with two-way audio devices must have a microphone enabled. Two-way audio menus and controls are disabled or hidden until a microphone is recognized by the operating system. Each client workstation used for two-way audio must have its own microphone. The next step is to add associations. You have the option of using soft triggers and audio controls from the top toolbar in Live View, but these will open dialogues showing all system options. Controls that are used frequently and directly related to the specific camera being displayed in a panel may be easier for operators to use when added as association buttons within the camera panel. Navigate to the Associations node and click on the intercom. Click the Listen and Talk controls and click Add. Choose the Talk option with the microphone icon. You should now have associated controls listed. You may wish to edit the button style. Sustained requires a click on and another click to turn off. Momentary functions only while a user is pressing down the button, which will also prevent a user from accidentally forgetting to lock the door or leaving a microphone on. Select the Apply button. The next step is to create custom views. In our example, we will create a view to display when triggered, rather than changing a single video panel. Navigate to the Views node and click the New button. Enter a name for the view, select the layout and drag in the intercom. Click the Apply button. Next, you will create the event monitoring profile that changes the view displayed while in live mode. Navigate to the Event Monitoring node and click the New button. Enter a name and configure the settings as required. Click the Apply button. Navigate to the Client node and click Enable Persistent Monitoring. You can select a profile from the drop-down list. This will start the persistent event monitor. It may be minimized but cannot be closed. It will persist if you close the client. Navigate to the Event Linking node and click the New button. Configure the settings as required. The Call button and Proximity switch can be found under Input Triggers. Click the Apply button. When the call button is pressed or someone holds their finger in front of the proximity sensor for 1 second, the event will be activated. Users can press the talk button to communicate with the person activating the doorbell or click the output icon to open the door. Thank you for watching this tutorial on using the Hanwha TID-600R Intercom with exacqVision 25H1.